Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 4. If y is inversely proportional to cube root of x and z is equals to 5 when x is equals to 64, find the value of z when x is equals to 216. So starting the question number 4, in this question they are saying that the variable z is inversely proportional to the cube root of x. So as we already studied in the last question, in the last exercise, that whenever the two variables are inversely proportional, then the second variable is written in 1 upon in the denominator. So here z is inversely proportional, so z, then the proportionality sign, and the proportionality is inverse, then it is written at 1 upon cube root of x. So it is z is inversely proportional to cube root of x. When the two variables are directly proportional, then this variable is written in the numerator, not in the denominator. So as in this question the proportionality is inverse, so z is proportional to 1 upon cube root of x. Now converting the proportionality into equality by multiplying with it, by multiplying 1 upon cube root of x with k, so it will be k upon cube root of x, and here k is the constant. Now we have to find the value of k first. To find the value of k, we have given with the information that z, the value of z is 5 when the value of x is 64, means that these are the when you put the value of z is 5, at that time the value of x is 64. So putting these values in this equation to get the value of k. So z is 5 is equals to k upon cube root of x, cube root of x, cube root of x 64. So it is 5 is equals to k upon cube root of x. X, cube root of x is, the cube root of x is, the cube root of 64 is 4. So the cube root of 64 is 4. So it will be k upon 4. So the value of k will be 5 4s are 20. The value of k will be 20. Now the equation will be, the equation connecting z and cube root of x is, z will be equal to, z is equal to, the value of k is 20, so 20 upon cube root of x. So this is the equation. In the question they are saying that find the value of z. We have to find the value of z. In the question we have to find the value of z, and at that time the value of x is 216. We have to find when the value of x is 216, at that time what will be the value of z. So using the equation, z is equals to 20 upon cube root of x. So we have to find z. So z will be equal to 20 upon cube root of x, and the value of x is 216. So it is z is equals to 20 upon cube root of x, and the cube root of 216 is 6. So z will be equal to 20 divided by 6. So 20 divided by 6 is 3.33, or dividing it will be 20 by 6, 6 3s are 18, so the remaining is 2. So the answer of it will be 3 whole number 2 upon 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the value of z will be 3 whole number 1 upon 3. So this is the question number 4. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.